Hi everyone, it's Yvonne from Calabria Property Services, and I just wanted to update you on the new build project that we've got on the go at Longobardi. Alessandro and his build team have been excavating for the foundations. They've put in a cement base with an impermeable membrane, and subsequently they've been putting in all the steel reinforcements, all the base and all the uprights for the anti-seismic regulations. They've been putting in all the cement, and we've had 7 lorry loads of cement, lots of cement, all of which have been tested for cement quality and have come out as excellent. So from that point of view, we're doing really well. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and there'll be more to come.